to lunge insane, and what's the government, and one way to help get in to push them in tempos. So as mathematically, there's no way again to lunge insane. James Seifert of Bloomberg Intelligence sees a slim chance of a spot XRP ETF launching in the U.S. throughout 2024. The ongoing Ripple SEC lawsuit and the absence of regulatory frameworks for XRP are some of the crucial factors. The grand trial between Ripple and the SEC is scheduled for April 2024. James Seifert, research analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, believes launching a spot XRP ETF in the United States before this year's end highly improbable, given several important factors. And first, he named the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which still triggers uncertainty around the cryptocurrency's status. And then he reminded that there are already futures, Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in America, which paved the way for the approval of spot funds. However, this is not the case with Ripple, where we have futures already trading in the CME and are regulated by the CFTC, which is a regulated market. And then we have the futures ETFs, which also are kind of like pushing this thing along as well. We don't have any of that for Ripple. So, Seifert thinks 2025 seems like a more realistic target for a potential launch of a spot XRP ETF in the States, assuming the regulatory environment has improved. But meanwhile, the SEC recently approved a wave of spot BTC ETF applications, including those of BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, Bitwise, Franklin Templeton, and more. The confusion surrounding the green light from you triggered significant volatility for Bitcoin's price, which currently trades at around $46,300 per CoinDecker's data. And the legal battle between the two organizations is heading towards its final act, with a grand trial scheduled for April 23rd, 2024. Ripple seemingly has the upper hand, securing 3 vital yet partial victories last year, and also both parties are required to comply with all necessary procedures before meeting in court. The SEC must file its brief with respect to remedies by March 13th, 2024. Ripple must file its opposition by April 12th, 2024. The outcome of the case is highly anticipated, since a decisive win for the company could propel an overall market boom and increase the legitimacy of the whole industry. On the other hand, a potential victory for the securities regulator might negatively impact the sector and lead to the implementation of stringent rules that could impede investors' interests.